Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about mass and weight. So in this video you will be learning about what is mass and what is weight. Also we are going to learn about how to calculate mass and weight, also gravitational field strength using the formula. Then you can also able to learn about the difference between mass and weight. Now let's discuss what is mass and what is weight. So mass is nothing but it is the amount of matter in an object. So we can measure the mass using kilogram. So the unit of mass is kilogram, gram, but especially for this topic we are going to use only kilogram. The next one is weight. Weight is a force due to the pull of gravity on an object. A weight is also called as force and it is measured in newtons. We can represent capital N. So this one. And what is gravity? A gravity is nothing but it is a force that acts on an object. It is also pulls the object towards the earth. So that is called as gravity. And what is force? Force is nothing but it is pushed or pull operation. Now let's discuss gravitational field strength. So on earth the downward force of gravity on a 1 kg mass is 10 Newton. So this is called the gravitational field strength. Now let's calculate the gravitational field strength for this given value. So before that we should know about what is gravitational field strength, the formula of gravitational field strength. So the gravitational field strength equal to weight by mass. So in this data, see here mass is given 1 kg mass and 10 Newton is the weight. So weight is equal to 10 Newton and mass is equal to 1 kg. So when we divide 10 by 1 we can get 10 and write this unit next to the answer. So Newton by kg. So for 1 kg the weight is 10 Newton. So totally the gravitational field strength on the earth is 10 Newton by kg. Now let's discuss the WMG triangle. So with the help of this triangle we are going to learn the formula of weight, mass and gravitational field strength. So first one, gravitational field strength is nothing but G. So we already know the gravitational field strength is weight by mass. So W is nothing but weight and M is equal to mass. So gravitational field strength is equal to weight by mass. And next one, if you want to calculate weight, so W is equal to gravitational field strength into mass. In case if you want to calculate mass, and mass is equal to weight by gravitational force. So here M means mass, W is equal to weight, G is nothing but gravitational field strength. Now we are going to using by using these formula we are going to calculate one problem. So first one, find the weight of a person on earth if they have a mass of 65 kg. So they are asking to find out the weight, but the data are given only for mass and gravitational force also given. So first write the given data. So mass equal to 65 kg and gravitational field strength G is equal to 10 Newton by kg. So now we are going to calculate weight. So here first write the formula of weight. So what is the formula of weight? Weight is equal to gravitational field strength into mass. So weight equal to G into M, that is gravitational field strength into mass. Now, so value is given for G. So 10 Newton by kg. So 10 Newton by kg into mass is 65 kg. So 65 kg. So here now cancel out the unit. First look at this problem. So here 1 unit, 1 kilogram is there in the numerator and other one is there in the denominator. So can we cancel out easily? So whatever number is there remaining, write it. 10 Newton into 65. So when we multiply 65 into 10, you will get 650. Then write this unit here. So weight is equal to 650 Newton. So finally the weight of a person on the earth is 650 Newton. Now let's discuss the relationship between Mars and Earth. So first one, the gravitational field strength on the surface of Mars is equal to 1/3 of the gravitational field strength on the surface of the Earth. So now we are going to calculate the gravitational field strength on the surface of Mars. So let us consider mass is equal to 1 kg and weight equal to 10 Newton. So on the Earth, okay, this will on the Earth. So now let's calculate the gravitational field strength on the Earth. So we already know about what is Earth gravitational field strength on the Earth. So that is 10 Newton by kg, right? So now we are going to apply this value in this formula. So we want to know about Earth gravitational field strength of the surface of the Mars. So that is 1/3 of the gravitational field strength on the surface of the Earth is 10 Newton by kg. So into 10 Newton by kg. Okay. So now let's divide this value. So we know that 10 divided by 3. So in 10, how many times 3's are there? 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9. So when we subtract this, we can get 1. But we can't divide 1 by 3. So we have to combine 1 0. If you combine 1 0, you have to keep the decimal point in the quotient place. So now we have 10. So this 10 is greater than this value, right? So in 10, how many times 3's are there? Again 3 times. So 3 times 3, 9. When we subtract this, we can get 1. So we can stop till that. So when we divide 10 by 3, we can get 3.3. Then write this unit along with the answer. So Newton by kg. So this will be the gravitational field strength on the surface of the Mars. Surface of the Mars. Okay, so 3.3 Newton by kg. But how will you calculate the weight for this mass? See, the mass is always common for all the places, but weight only going to be changed based on the places. Either say the weight going to be changed on the Earth as well as Mars, and the Earth as well as Moon. In the different planet, the weight going to be changed, but not mass. So keep that in your mind. The mass is always common for all the places, but weight will be different based on the place. So here we know for 1 kg 3.3 Newton. Okay, so always we know the gravitational field strength is equal to weight by mass. So for this weight is equal to weight on the mass is equal to 3.3 Newton. But the gravitational field strength on the surface of the Mars is 3.3 Newton by kg. Now let's calculate one more problem. So what is the weight of a 6 kg object on the surface of Mars? So we already know gravitational field strength is equal to weight by mass. So this will be gravitational field strength on the Mars. So here a weight is given. So sorry, mass is given. They are asking to calculate weight. So mass is equal to 6 kg. But weight it's not given in the question. We already know about what is gravitational field strength on the surface of Mars. That is 3.3 Newton by kg. So substitute here 3.3 Newton by kg. Now we want to calculate weight. So this will be come to your left hand side. So 3.3 Newton by kg is equal to, into 6 kg equal to weight. So now here kg. So one will be there in the numerator, other will be there in the denominator. So we can cancel out. Then weight is equal to 3.3 Newton into 6. So when we multiply 3.3 Newton into 6, we can get 19.8 Newton. So weight on the mass is equal to 19.8 Newton. From this video, we learnt about the term of weight and mass, also the relationship between weight and mass. Then we also understood how to calculate weight, gravitational field strength and mass using the formula. Thank you.